I am a girl. My mother name is Mrs. Kalpana. My father name is Mr. Arpit. I am a girl. I study in. My class teacher name is Mrs. Avinda